In this video we will understand in a classic way how a camera works. Do you know how a camera works? Let's understand all this with some practical activity. We have a convex lens. Almost all of us know that the convex lens magnifies things. And we use it to magnify small things inside a magnetic lamp. If we look at this book under the convex lens, we will see the details in zoom. Let's do further experiments. We put a small chair in front of us. This is a sheet of white paper. We tape it to the back of the chair. Now we see the scene in front of the chair. The front view consists of a bicycle and clothes hanging to dry in the sun. Let's take a convex lens. We move this convex lens some distance from our white paper screen and move it back and forth. And let's see if there is a picture of the scene on the screen. After focusing back and forth, a clear picture is formed on the paper at one point. If we darken the room, this picture will start appearing to us even more clearly. As you can see now, there is a very clear picture of the scene on the screen. This image is same as the front view, but it is a flip vertical of the scene. Viewers, now try to make this image permanent here. For this we can trace this image with the help of color pencils. This is what the image looks like after tracing, which is similar to the original picture. Let's do further experiments. We take a cardboard box and make a hole in it and put our convex lens in it. We put tapes around it to make it strong in place. We also put a shutter inside it that we can open and close, as is the case inside the camera. Viewers, after doing so, our camera looks something like this. Let's take the experiments further. We place a glass in front of the lens on the other side of this camera box so that our screen stays perfectly flat, and we place the paper on top of it. So far nothing is visible. We put a blanket over it so that the light from outside does not enter. Viewer, you can see that the paper is working exactly like an LCD screen on which we can clearly see the front view. Viewers, instead of hand drawing, in-camera a sensor is installed in its place, which makes a picture by feeling the light falling on it. There are very small pixels on this sensor. Each individual pixel saves the color details of the picture. This is how they all come together to form a beautiful picture. The higher the pixels on the sensor, the higher the image quality. Viewers, we hope you understand how a camera works. Thank you very much for watching Majid Garaya YouTube channel. To see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.